Hello drummers, look what I received. Yes, another Cooperman drum. I didn't intend to, because the custom clearance costs are insane, but I couldn't resist this one. Let's unbox. Let's unbox this. You know what it will be. Surprise, surprise. Let me first tell you this. I've seen this drum some time ago, sitting on the shelf of Patrick Cooperman's workshop. And ever since I was interested in that drum, and now it became available. Well, when Patrick posted it on social media, I waited for about a week, and I was thinking, do I deserve this drum? Do I want this drum because of the high costs of export? But after a week I decided to go for it. So, drum roll. Ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-dum. Let me have a look. This is so unique. So unique. For those of you who don't know, this is an Ancient Image series drum, developed by Lane Redmond in the 90s. So it's a museum piece, because there are very few of them. And there are two other images as well. I will send a picture later, which Barbara Gale was so kind to send to me. But I'm very happy with this one. This image is from Turkey, a very ancient image, and I think this is the first existing image of a frame drum. Now, let's see how the elements sound.